The normal force interactive calculator helps engineers determine normal forces in various mechanical configurations. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. Options include normal force on horizontal surface, normal force on inclined plane, and normal force with additional vertical force. Options also include normal force with force at angle, calculate mass from normal force, and calculate incline angle from normal force. For this demonstration, I'm using normal force on horizontal surface. The input fields are mass in kilograms, gravity in meters per second squared, and incline angle theta in degrees. The list continues with vertical force Fv in newtons, applied force F in newtons, force angle phi in degrees, and normal force N in newtons. Let's calculate using these values. Mass equals 75 kilograms, gravity equals 9.81 meters per second squared. The remaining fields show default values but aren't used in horizontal surface calculations. After clicking Calculate Normal Force, the results show normal force equals 735.75 newtons, weight force equals 735.75 newtons, and the N/W ratio equals 1.000. This confirms that on a horizontal surface, the normal force exactly balances the object's weight. Find the link in the description below.